Hi, my name is Menelik Grais. I'm a graduate of ESCP Business School. It all started when a senior leader from my company asked me why I wasn't applying to managing director positions in Europe. I told him that with my background, engineering and sales, I didn't feel like I had the right skills to be able to fulfill such positions. He told me, just get an MBA. So I chose to join the Executive MBA at ESCP. The reason for that was because of its focus on responsible leadership. At times it was challenging, but in a good way. When you join the program, you have the opportunity to work with a diverse group of people from different sectors and different countries. I learned as much from my peers as the talented faculty. The experience gave me the confidence that I needed to take the next step in my career. Since I graduated, I was promoted to a managing director position in my company. I now lead a multicultural team across Europe. I never thought going back to school at my age would be so rewarding.